Shalom friends, so today's video is gonna be quick and I'm not gonna take too long because I just have a few minutes. It's Day of Atonement sundown this afternoon and I wanna just get these in the ground because it's a Sabbath and I would not be able to do anything until after the Sabbath is done. So I don't want them to be too dry. So my friend gave me these dragon fruit cuttings. I'm not sure if it's the white or if it's the red one. Alright, so but we'll know when it starts bringing forth fruit. So here I have these, and this is where I planted my tomatoes and they didn't do good at all. So I'm just gonna remove this iron here for now because I want to use this bucket to put the dragon fruit in it. And this is really nice soil in here. I might meet a snail in here and all. Because them snail giving me a lot of trouble, so I'm just going to mix this up. I'm gonna put some chicken manure on the top of it when I'm done. So, ooh, look at that! Look at the size of this. So you know that thing full of nutrients. Yeah. Right, so I'm done here. This bucket. I also have this bucket here, so let me just move this. This is some Babadine plant. She also brought but these would be going in front. Everything here would be going in front. That is one of the reasons why I started planting in buckets as well. Everything here will be going in front, but I still want to oh, you see that? And they come in, they burst out. That's oh, what's this thing name? Oh, I forgot. I put this here, so I don't want to disturb it too much. So let me just put back this here. This is the red skin avocado. So right. So these here, I have one hand. So let me see how best I can do the, ow, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't have no blood in my hand. Oh. Oh gosh, the cat has me for sugar. Look, look. That hurts. Right, so it's really thorny. So I saw this one already have some roots on it. So I'm just gonna plant this one right inside here. Now I don't know too much about the dragon fruit because I never planted it. The few baby plants I had, they died. But this is what I saw them doing, and that thing burning, this is what I'm gonna do. Some of them already have roots on them, but I saw in the video say make sure make sure they pointing up the right direction. I don't know if this would be the wrong direction, although it has the root to the bottom, because I see them sharpening this pointed part like you would sharpen a pencil. Right, so they sharpen it just like this, and then they would plant it. One here. Right. Look at this.
Water patience time will show. Rooted deep and growing slow.
Right, so this is what my dragon fruit cuttings look like. I'm just gonna leave them like this, the roots, and that's it.